Hi, in this video, we're going to actually deal with how to bring in a PDF to actually trace it in Revit. So first thing I'm doing is I'm just in a view, and the first thing that you want to verify that you have open right away is we're going to go into our visibility and graphics, and we're going to come down here to the R's, and we're looking for a category named raster images. So we're going to check that because most PDFs will come in as a raster image. I'm going to apply that, say OK, and now what I can do is I can just come up here to the insert, and I'm actually going to import the PDF directly to this view. So in other words, it's not going to show up on any other view other than this view. Now, I like doing it this way better than the linking because the link means that you have to associate which view you want to have which PDF you looking at. Here, it's just a very simple click on it, find that PDF, and then we can just move on from there. So what I'm going to do here real quick is I'm just going to grab a PDF that I have sitting around, and I'm just going to bring it in. Now, first thing you'll get is you'll get what the PDF is going to look like coming in. Down here, you're going to get a resolution dropdown. And this resolution dropdown is to help bring in more detail. In other words, get it a little bit crisper. So a lot of times I'll take it at about 300 dpi. Of course, the higher the dots per inch, the longer it's going to take to bring it in. But once it's in, it saves it into the project. Also notice it's telling you what size that sheet is. Okay, so now I can just say OK, and my cursor, after it thinks about it a little bit, will all of a sudden bring in a big X that will actually show us what we need to see. So right there's our X on our screen. I'm just going to click right dead center. And as soon as I click that, there's my PDF. Now, if I look over here, I see a horizontal scale of 96. Well, 96 is really going to be for that 1/8 inch scale, which if I zoom in here, we are at an 1/8 inch scale. Now, one of the things you can do if you don't trust that scale is you do have a tool up here that will allow you to scale it right on the drawing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to pick these 2 points here. It's a 4-foot long diffuser. So I'm just going to come up here, hit scale, and I'm going to click from this point to this point, and I'm going to make sure that it equals 4 foot. And if you just look right below it, I'm at 4 foot right there. And notice that my scale is just a little bit off, but this is at a true 4 foot now. Now, the PDF is in. One thing I do recommend you do is you pin it, or you come down here and make sure you cannot select an underlayment. Okay. Me personally, I will always pin it because it's a lot easier to see it if I need to unpin it for some reason. So again, all I did was I showed you how to insert a PDF in, use the scale command under modify, and adjust your PDF to the right scale. Hope this helps. Talk to you guys next time.